Go.
Hey guys, this is Sahil from Gizmodo India, and today we have Vikas Agarwal from OnePlus. He heads OnePlus in India, and here we are at the launch of the OnePlus 3T. And Vikas here is going to tell us what went behind the scenes, the creation of the OnePlus 3T, and how and why they have launched this phone here in India.
I think the one question that everybody is asking is, why are we launching a OnePlus 3T and the existing model has worked so well for us?
Exactly.
I think the thought behind the OnePlus 3T goes back to a core philosophy of our cell, which is actually the existence of our core. When we launched OnePlus 3, we wanted to make sure that our devices are best in the market. Since then, we have released a number of software updates to make sure that our devices remain as competitive as at the launch. We released an upgrade to adjust the sRGB screen calibration option. We released an update to provide a better RAM management. Later we released an update to improve the security and the performance traits. But in the parallelly, our hardware team has also worked and come up with a number of enhancements. And it was not possible to incorporate the hardware updates in an existing product. And that is when we decided to launch a new device and calling it OnePlus 3T.
Why 3T? Because whenever some of your competitors have come up with a phone which has basically more or less the same device, it's been like either the iPhone 6, 6S, so T is a different nomenclature. Why?
So there is no strong reason to actually have a T, but the way we see it is, it's just a name.
Yeah.
And T is ahead of S, and we are OnePlus, so S plus T.
Interesting. And talking about some of the improvements from the OnePlus 3 on the hardware side, which you just mentioned, what are these improvements? Can you sort of give us
Sure.
deep dive?
I think the biggest improvement is in the battery. And why it's critical is we have managed to increase the battery capacity from 3,000 mAh to 3,400 mAh without increasing the weight or the size of the device. That's incredible. In terms of other changes, we have also improved the processor from Snapdragon 822 to Snapdragon 821, and the OnePlus 3T Snapdragon processor is not underclocked. It is 2.35 GHz, which is the best in the market today. Thirdly, the front camera has been upgraded from 8 megapixel to 16 megapixel now to help you get the best selfies and do the video calling and live streaming in HD.
Yeah. Talking about the battery life, and battery life is a big pain point. One of the favorite features for most of us, including me, I am a OnePlus 3 user, was the dash charger. And because you could just easily, quickly charge, this is, I think, pretty much the fastest charger out there. So we still have dash charging out there, and does the phone still charge as fast as it
Yes,
used to?
the dash charging continues to charge your device in the best possible manner. With the increased battery capacity, you will still get more than a day's power now in half an hour.
And you also now have a 128 GB SKU.
Yes.
What was the thinking behind launching a 128 GB SKU? Because 64 GB is also quite a lot of memory, especially when the market is like.
Yeah, so 64 GB continues to be our main flagship product, and we are releasing 128 GB model for those users who would like to carry their music, photos, and their music files with the device. So we'll see what is the actual demand for this 128 GB variant. But from the OnePlus as a company perspective, we always want to make sure our devices are future proof. So if you go back in time and look at 2014,